To connect your CreateOne account to your Shopify store, the first step is getting the CreateOne app downloaded to your Shopify store so that we can pull the relevant API keys. To do this, log into your Shopify store and head to the settings section. Navigate to users and permissions, and then find add staff. You're going to add our engineering email alias as a staff member of your Shopify store. The email is techpirates@resonance.nyc. For the first name, you can put in tech, and for the last name, you can put in pirates. Now, we don't need permissions to your entire store, but we need access to all orders. In the product section, we need to view cost, and manage inventory. In the customer section, we need to view customers. In the file section, we need view, create, and edit. In the content section, we need all permissions. Online store, we need access to themes and blog posts and pages. We need all permissions for app development. Store settings, we need location permissions. And then lastly, down below where it says app permissions, we need the ability to manage and install apps and channels. A complete list of all of the permissions we need to have the relevant access to pull the API keys is listed in a document linked in the video description. So once you have invited us in your Shopify store, you can head to your CreateOne account, and in the Sell Launch Styles page, if you're not already integrated to your Shopify store, you'll see a button that prompts you to integrate, and you can send us a note there. Alternatively, you can reach out to us via the feedback form and just let us know that I've sent Tech Pirates an invite and am ready to integrate my Shopify store. We will reach out from there with next steps. In the next video, I'll review in more depth once your CreateOne and Shopify store are linked, how you can then launch your CreateOne styles to your Shopify store and start generating orders.